Welcome back to the Wrigley Milk and Brewery. My name's Greg, I'm the head brewer here. This week you find us talking about Sanction N. Sanction N is our 4% blonde ale, which is part of our Tri-January lineup. Sanction N was developed and brewed by Joe here. He's our assistant brewer. He joined us about three months ago.
Thank you, Greg. So Sanction N is a little bit different to what I usually brew. Like most people who learn to brew, when I started making my own beer, I became interested in all the weird and interesting ways you can add weird and interesting flavours and make weird and interesting beers. And for Tri-January, I thought I would try something completely different. So I've gone for what I hope will be a very light, very crisp, very refreshing, crowd-pleasing beer, the sort of thing that you might enjoy nicely chilled on a summer afternoon. I also thought that would be fun since it was coming out in January in the depths of winter.
It's currently -5.
It's not currently -5, he's exaggerating. Well, now I've forgotten what I was going to It's very light, so we kept the grain bill very, very light. We added a bit of dextrin malt so that we could keep the sort of lightness of flavour and yet still have a kind of satisfying body and a bit of head there, but not too much. And what I wanted to do with it as well was to use it sort of as an experiment to showcase one of the British hops that we happened to have in our hop fridge, Olicana, which has a very, very delicate flavour, and so I thought we'd give it a try. So we used just First Gold, which is one of my favourite hops.
I think that works really well with the malt bill that you've got as well, because everything comes across as quite subdued and delicate and
Let me just see if I agree with you there.
dry and drinkable.
Yes, I do. I agree. Yeah. So First Gold, which we use a lot, great. I love it. It's one of my favourite hops. Another British hop. Just a little bit for bittering, some for aroma. So it's just First Gold in the boil, and then it's dry hopped exclusively with quite a lot of Olicana. But don't expect it to be very full on the hops, because as I say, it's a very, very delicate flavour. So it's a very sort of crisp, light, refreshing beer. Lager drinkers would like it. Ale drinkers, I hope, will still like it. Come and try it.
Yep, available this weekend at the taproom. Cheers.
Cheers.